Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this. And I thought, it might be easier to do it with an ellipse, and that would be pretty easy. So you need a circle, an ellipse, that is that size of the outside, and we're pretty close. And here's kind of a trick. Take the shift tool and hold it down and grow it just a little bit more to get to the outside. I've got my nudge factor set pretty low. We can nudge it over, and I'm going to call that good. Now, here's the problem with using a ellipse. We're going to Control D and duplicate that, and then holding down the control button, we're going to move it down to it's even here. And you can see what's happening is the ellipse doesn't work. Well, you've got the second ellipse. Unlock your ratio and let's make it wider. Let's go 22 inches. We actually went too far. Let's go 21. We're actually quite not enough, 21.25. And I'm going to say, if you took the Smart Fill tool, and I've got it set on white. I was doing something earlier in white. Let's do it in red. And then take that away. And what's so good about this, then left click, right click, it doesn't matter what color, Control D, and then mirror it, and then weld it, and then let's color it in yellow, take away the outline. I might even think it might be closer than our first one. You know what, let's do the outline, take away the color and put the outline, and put it on top of it. Using the nudge keys to, you know what, we're a little bit off. We're a little bit bigger than that. So let's back up here and let's do this. I hate when I moved a little bit. You can always go to this arrow and go back to where you welded it, or just to move it. Well, then I went too far back. There we go. No, I still need to back up. So there's our shape. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then what you could do right now, we could go ahead and take away our ellipses. And let's take this and left click, right click. So that shape is on. Control D and mirror it. So there's where we're off. It's not mirroring the same. So let's take that one now and just nudge it up. Wow, we're dead on. And then, well, we could take that out of the way and now weld this and turn it yellow. And now I know we're dead on. Take away the outline, and we got the two shapes that are identical. Anyway, so that's another way to do it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.